Okay, so today we're prank calling Apple because my son Dane's new iPhone 7 is actually missing its headphone jack.
He doesn't have a son.
And I'm very concerned.
He doesn't have one.
Cool.
Thank you for calling Apple. My name is Kiana. How can I help you today?
Hey, I just got my son Dane an iPhone for his birthday. An iPhone 7.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's really weird, like he's flipping out. He's absolutely off the walls, chucking this massive tantrum because his phone doesn't have a headphone jack, so he can't listen to music with it for some reason.
Well, I'm really sorry that, he's kind of disappointed in that. The iPhone 7 does come with an adapter so that you can plug that adapter piece in to the charging port and then connect via headset jack.
So you're telling me that the headphones work through the charging port?
With the adapter.
Okay, so I've thrown out the box. That was probably a big mistake, and it's garbage day, so can I just go to a shop and buy another one? Is that how it works?
You can, yes. Mm-hmm.
Alright. Yeah,
Also, probably just give it to you, because it's in warranty.
Ah.
You can basically ask in the store. But it is a separate adapter piece that comes with the phone now.
So if Dane's charging his phone, can he still listen to music, or like how does that work with the one port?
No, you can't charge and listen to the music at the same time.
But that's stupid.
You're using like a Bluetooth.
But why? Why would
Well,
that?
I'm sorry, all of the technical specifications about the phone are on the website. I'm sorry you weren't aware of that before purchasing it.
Oh, so can I like get a refund for the phone if I took it back, or?
If you've had it less than 14 days, you should be able to go to the retailer you purchased it from if you're not happy with your purchase, absolutely.
Oh, alright. That's so I can't. Is it possible? Is it like possible at all to plug in and listen to music? Is there an adapter I can get in for that?
There's an adapter that you can use that will allow you to plug in a headset, just like any other headset that comes with the phone.
Okay.
It's not like you have to buy the adapter. It's in the box, just like the charger and the charging cable.
Right, yeah, because I was just thinking, because I'm the grandparents, we get it in headphones, so like that wouldn't have worked, obviously.
Yeah, well, Apple's definitely always the leaders of innovation, and pretty soon, I guarantee you, a lot of the other cellular companies are going to be adopting this, and mostly everything is going into Bluetooth and wireless earphones, which is basically the new fade or fad. So just keep up to the times with that. Yes, sir.
So that's just, I'm behind, am I, basically? I'm just...
Yeah, and that's why we do give customers the adapter free. We understand that some people just want to be able to use that audio jack. And even though the phone's not made with it, we do give you the adapter for free. So if that's your preference, you can still use it.
And he's also always going on about this thing called Wi-Fi. What's Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi is basically when you can connect wirelessly to a Wi-Fi network. It doesn't incur your cellular data.
Oh, and Bluetooth. What's that as well? Sorry. The thing that...
Bluetooth is what basically the new revolution is going to be. I mean, Bluetooth's been around for a long time, but if you notice, most of the headphones that are coming out are wireless. So Bluetooth is where you can connect wireless speakers, wireless headphones, and kind of, connect to the device wirelessly, which you wouldn't need a headset jack for.
Whoa!
You wouldn't, connect to your car, or connect to your speakers, or connect to a wireless headphone.
I've got to get myself some of that. That sounds
Yeah,
sounds fantastic.
It's pretty cool. I actually got myself a really nice voice speaker. It was really affordable.
Wow.
I found it on sale, and so yeah, I use that. My iPhone 7 hasn't come yet because I want the jet black one. But I'm already preparing to know that headset jack is not there. And to tell you the truth, honestly, messing with the headset jack, I always kind of drop my phone because you're moving around, you're doing stuff, you forget that it's got this plug attached to it, and I always, so I'm kind of looking forward to maybe not cracking my headset plugged in, but it's different for everyone.
Yeah, for sure. No, I can understand that. So, to recount, Wi-Fi is like, it's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are different. So Wi-Fi is kind of a signal and
Right.
Bluetooth's
So
a different
Wi-Fi is
signal.
basically you can connect to any open Wi-Fi or your home network. If you're like in a McDonald's, there's normally Wi-Fi there. It gives you the ability to connect your device online without using your cellular data.
So I can connect to the internet at McDonald's?
Yeah, absolutely.
Whoa! That is so cool.
Absolutely. Mostly, almost all the fast food chains and local restaurants all have open Wi-Fi now.
Wow.
Basically, normal. If you go somewhere like a Starbucks, open Wi-Fi, they'll give you the code there when you go in. So most places have Wi-Fi capability.
Well, I'll have to get on board with it. That sounds awesome. So, what I'm doing is just getting him going to Apple and saying, I need an adapter to fix the phone because there's no headphone jack. Or is there not meant to be a headphone jack?
No. You're going to let them know that, unfortunately, you didn't know there was an adapter in the box, and you, unfortunately, threw away the adapter. The adapter comes with the phone, sir.
Oh,
So
right. So it comes in the box.
It's in the box, right, that the phone came in.
Right. Okay.
So we give you the adapter because we know some people still want to use a headphone jack. So it's not something you have to buy. If you still have the box, it should be in there.
Right. Yeah. Now I'm starting to follow you. Is there anything else you think's important that I should know about?
Well, there's a great tips app on the phone.
Oh, really? I mean, I got my wife an iPad. So does that do all this stuff as well?
You've got what? An iPad?
Yeah, I got my wife an iPad. So does that?
And which iPad is? No, well, your iPad will still have the headphone jack, but depending on what iPad she has, she can basically.
It's got a camera on it. Does that help?
It
has a camera.
What?
It's got a camera. Does that help?
All of the iPads have cameras.
All right. Then I don't know. It's a newer one, I think. Yeah.
I'm sorry?
I think it's a newer one because we only got it a couple of months ago.
The iPad. Okay, so
Yeah.
really the iPad Pro, which is eligible for iOS 10, and you can basically.
Oh, they changed. There used to be an emoji of a gun on it, but I can't find the emoji anymore.
It's no longer a gun; it's a water gun now.
Is there a reason?
Yes.
Oh, is it
So
like
that's basically
because of violence or
that's
political correctness or something?
I guess so. I mean, nowadays you have Android users saying, "Hey, you can't have a real gun in Apple." I mean, it's just a decision of the company.
It's funny though because they still have the syringe and the poo emojis.
Plastic water gun.
That's crazy though because they still have the syringe and the poo ones and the middle finger one, but they don't have the gun one.
You're absolutely right.
Oh, it's mental.
I thought the poo one was a big much when it came out, but yes, you're right.
Oh well, it's an interesting world. I'll have to get on terms with it, I think, and go and take a class or something because I'm getting left behind.
Well, yeah, we offer free classes actually at the Apple retail store.
Oh, really?
So if you ever have time, yeah, absolutely.
Oh. So they teach us how to use these iPads and this Wi-Fi and the rest of it?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Wow, and what's the watch? My cousin has this watch thing that he got from Apple and it does similar stuff. Like, so what does the watch do?
Well, the Apple Watch basically, it's basically a mobile device on your wrist. So the best way to learn about all the features is to go to apple.com. But in a nutshell, it's basically a great feature that allows you to have that wireless capability on your wrist. So you can text message, you can receive calls. There's tons of things that you can do
Whoa.
With your Apple Watch.
So does that have a touch screen as well?
It does, yes.
For real. That is... So, how does that work? Like, because it's such a small screen, is it just like little buttons?
Well, no, and it works just like a touchscreen would work on a phone or
God, it's all over my head. I'll definitely have to catch up with it. We've got so many Apple things in this house and I don't know how to use them.
Well, that's what our free classes are for, sir. So we offer free classes.
Oh, so I don't have to pay for them?
No, we actually offer free hands-on, just basic learning classes.
Oh, so Dane's probably going off at me because it's my fault because I'm an idiot because I don't know any of this. Is that... Like, because Dane probably knows all this already, so do you reckon he's going off because I'm just kind of ignorant to the way all this technology stuff's moving?
As far as, what did you think?
Like with the iPhone and stuff, how he's going, how he's going off at me. Do you reckon that's like relevant to the fact that I just don't really seem to be bloody understanding anything?
Then what do you mean, like going off? What else is happening?
Like he just threw this huge tantrum and he's in his room now, like sulking and complaining about the phone not having a headphone jack. But do you think it's because like my parenting isn't on par with the current technology?
I think he's just probably used to that headphone jack and he's just a little disappointed it's there. If it's not there, if you guys find Fox and it's easy for him to hook up, tell him to play with iMessages because most kids, I have a teenager myself,
Okay.
they seem to really love the different effects in iMessage.
Right.
With their friends and screen effects, and that normally cheers the teenagers up. I'm sure he'll get used to the headphone jack. And just please do remind him that he's got the hottest phone in the market right now. I mean,
Yeah, I know. Like,
that's pretty good.
I was actually, I went off at him, to be honest.
Has an iPhone SE. He's not getting a 7.
No, I went off at him, to be honest, because I thought I just spent $1,200 on this phone and you're screaming at me. Like,
absolutely.
yeah, it's like, what a little shit, excuse the French. But,
Well, they get like that sometimes. He's definitely got to be a teenager or a preteen, right?
Yeah, he's about 10. Oh, he is 10. He's turning 10
He's
today.
He's going up into that whole, my mind, that whole, adolescence thing.
That's
I
it.
think he's just a little disappointed with the headset jack. But once you guys get the adapter piece, even if I don't think he would throw it away because it's kind of just like the charger. So it's something that you can look at and say, hey, what's this for?
True.
It's not something that you would normally throw away. So maybe you guys can check the box. But once he gets those headphones going, I think he's going to be completely satisfied.
Yeah. He's into metal now, too. Yeah, he likes his death metal, so I hear that going through the...
Yeah, well, we definitely want him to have some headphones on.
Yeah. Otherwise, I just hear some guy going, for like hours.
Into this anime music, I don't know.
Yeah.
This whole anime thing.
Oh, wow.
The anime music is very similar to heavy metal, so I
Yeah.
know exactly what you mean.
I'm like AC/DC kind of era. So, like, that's my
Yeah,
kind of...
that's like, wait, I'm Aerosmith. I'm lighter than that. I can't even do metal. I'm only
Oh, nice.
alternative girl.
Ah, cool.
Absolutely. But take a look at the Tips app. They have even classes for kids at the Apple Store. Get involved.
So, can I bring Dane to the same class as me?
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, you can.
So we can learn together? Or so he can teach me most of it,
and
probably.
I think that, once he gets used to the phone, it's really awesome. I mean, it's super fast. The camera is spectacular.
Another thing, why is there 2 cameras? Okay, so the camera stopped filming, and I didn't notice, but I actually had that lady on the phone. The objective was to see how long I could have her on the phone for.
And it was like 30 minutes.
It was nearly half an hour. It was a long time. And then I just kind of hung up, because that could have gone all day. It was insane.
Yeah. He had no idea what Wi-Fi was or Bluetooth.
I don't know what Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or any of that technology is,
but he does.
maybe I do, otherwise this wouldn't be on YouTube.
Bluetooth.
Ah.
I'll go get something. He doesn't know what Bluetooth is. He's got a Bluetooth speaker.
This is a Bluetooth speaker. I can do Bluetooth things with this. Like,
We didn't just call the bag, but like it's just a prank.
it's just a prank, bro.